Hello guys, it's Daniel Patrick here and you are welcome to the channel. Today's video is going to be an update of the previous video I made about the free BNB boat, alright, about this free BNB boat, alright. A lot of people believe that any cryptocurrencies from Telegram bots is a scam, but I'm actually here today to correct that notion that it's not, alright. It just depends on the one you get into, alright. So today's video is going to be an update of the previous video I made. In the last video I made people understand that once the ref contest ends, the boat ends, alright, the earning opportunity on the boat end. But I'm here to update you guys on the recent development, alright. This boat is still paying, alright, so you can go on. If you have joined, you can go on and start inviting people immediately, alright. You don't have to wait for it whenever it opens anymore. You should go on and start inviting people immediately, and whenever you invite someone, you withdraw straight to your wallet. Alright, so in today's video you're going to see me withdraw from this free BNB boot right now, alright, and it's pretty simple. That's what I'm going to do first before I teach you how to do it, and also review something at the end of this video that will help you get people fast. Alright, so if you want to watch that part of the video, if you want to get that information, then stick with me till the very end of this video. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on start right now. I'm just going to go ahead and click on this very start button. And as you can see, it's asking me to solve this reCAPTCHA again. Alright, so I'm just going to type in the reCAPTCHA. Alright, now note this can happen sometimes, alright, so once it happens, don't panic. You just have to wait for it to carefully propagate, so you can click the start button and start over. As you can see right here, we are now in the main menu section, alright, and it has revealed the main menu for us. Now what I'm going to do is to click on this balance right here. So once I click on balance right now, you're going to see the balance of what I have, which is 0.002 BNB. Alright, so I'm just going to wait for that to pop up right now, and as you can see here, this is what I actually have right now. So I'm actually showing you this right now so that when we perform the withdrawal, you're going to see that my balance is going to turn 0. Alright, so I'm going to click on withdraw right now. Withdraw. Alright, I'm going to click on withdraw, and as you can see, it says please send your BNB wallet address. Alright, so I'm just going to minimize this right now and open up my Trust wallet. Alright, now once you open up your Trust wallet, what you are meant to pick is your BNB smart chain and not BNB coin. Alright, it's not the main BNB coin but BNB smart chain. There is the Beacon coin and there is BNB smart chain. Now how do you do that? If you are downloading Trust wallet for the first time, and you come over to this top right here, to this icon on the top right hand corner of your screen, and click on that, what you're meant to do is to type in BNB. Alright, and once you type that, you're going to see these cryptocurrencies pop up. Alright, so what you're meant to pick is the one that says BNB smart chain and not the one that says BNB beacon chain. Alright, so I'm just going to head back because I just toggled this on right now. As you can see here, you should also toggle it on. Right, make sure it displays green. So I'm just going to go back and then click on the BNB smart chain, which is this very one at the top. Alright, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on receive. After that, I click on copy to copy my wallet address, and I'm going to head back right now to the Telegram bots, and then I'm going to paste in that wallet address and click on this send button at the bottom right hand corner of my screen. So I'm just going to click on that right now, and it says send now the amount of BNB you want to withdraw. So I'm going to withdraw everything. I'm going to withdraw max. Alright, I'm going to withdraw max of this 0.00022 alright, make sure you type the figures exactly as you see. So I'm just going to click on send right now. And as you can see here, guys, it says withdraw successful. So I'm just going to head over to my Trust wallet right now, and then I'm gonna open this with my fingerprint. I want to log this right now with my fingerprints. Alright, and see how it goes. So I'm going to head back, and then as you can see here, I have 0.0038 BNB. All right, but if I refresh this right now, you're going to see that this is going to change right now. All right, so let me just quickly refresh this, and as you can see here, I now have 0.00405 BNB, and this is the withdrawal proof right there. All right, just received right now. So this is to tell you guys that this actually works. All right, so I'm just going to head back to the Telegram bot right now and then click on balance. All right, so you see that this actually worked. All right, and as you can see right here, my balance is now 000 BNB. So this is to tell you that this actually works, guys. Now for you to participate in this, you have to use my referral link in the description. All right, and once you get in, to use your referral link, you just have to click on this rev start. All right, this is how you earn more from this BNB bot. Not to add to that, you can also earn more from bonus. All right, you just have to click on that bonus section. I'm going to show you the bonus section once the referral starts pops up. All right, and as you can see here, I've invited a total of 22 people, and just 10 are active, but 12 are inactive. Now there's something I want to point out. All right, if you are joining this BNB, you have to make sure that you perform all tasks and claim your bonus immediately. How do you claim your bonus? You just have to come over here and click on this bonus right here. Right, once you click on bonus, you're going to see a prompt that says get free BNB upon login daily in our bot. You get a daily bonus of 0.0001 BNB every 24 hours. All right, so what you're meant to do is to click on get bonus, as easy as ABC. Now as you can see here, congratulations, you have earned a bonus of 0.0001 BNB. all right, now this is what you do every 24 hours. So 24 hours from the time you claim this, come back and reclaim another one. But if you do not perform the task you're meant to perform, which is joining about 6 Telegram groups and a YouTube channel, trust me, you're not going to be able to claim this coin. All right, you should also tell your invitees to do same thing. All right, you're not going to be able to claim this coin whether or not you have joined this channel. So all you're meant to do is to at least click on those links again and head back to the Telegram group, and you are good to go. All right, now one thing you need to know is that in the description of this video you see a link which is a promotional file. All right, a Google Docs link which is a promotional file that would help you spread the message out there to the world so they can know of this free BNB bot opportunity that is currently on right now. All right, if you want a more detailed video on how this works, I've created a video, 2 videos for this actually, and I'm going to leave the video links in the description of this video, and the section you'll find them is in related videos section, other related video. Just check the first 2 videos and watch them. All right, that's how you get to know how to perform this very well. But for this video, this is just a withdrawal video. Right, this is just to update you that this free BNB bot is still on. So whatever you're doing, get in right now and start inviting people. All right, the ref contest might open up anytime soon, or this BNB bot itself can end anytime soon. So perform the tasks and invite as much people as you can while you can. All right, because we're in the bull season and anything can happen. All right, this few BNB you earn today can amount to something tomorrow. All right, so this is what I actually want to update you guys about. All right, like I said, you have a promotional material which you can use to promote this on social media. All right, to get referrals. All right, I have penned down over 200 words for you right there, which you can just open up with the Google Doc link and copy, and then fix in your referral link in the section where it says Telegram bot link. All right, so this is actually how it works. Right, so this is the video I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Right, after subscribing to the channel, make sure you turn on the notification bell so that you get updated whenever I drop videos like this. It's highly advisable you also join our social media community, which is on Facebook, in Telegram and WhatsApp. So whenever I drop updates, you'll be one of the first to see it. All right, I remain your crypto guide, Daniel Patrick, and I will see you in the next video. Stay safe.